So welcome to this video. And as you can see, we have several tropical cyclones we're keeping an eye on this evening. We have Tropical Storm Haiyan up here. We have Tropical Storm Ian here. We have Tropical Invest 9070 and down over here. We have Tropical Depression 5E. And it's really unusual that we have forces that. Let's talk a little bit about how unusual this is at first. Yes. Because it is really unusual. Because, first of all, Central Pacific hurricane season in Hawaii lasts from, I believe, June 1st to November 30th. Anyone here remember back in May when we had 2 Invest near 140 and I was discussing about, maybe I wasn't in a video, but in general on forums and whatnot, I was discussing about, like, the possibilities of one of these systems crossing over and how unusual that would be. Well, guess what? It later turns out that the remnants of Ela, which is up here somewhere, it's the remnants of Ela, was actually the earliest known tropical storm to ever form in the Central Pacific in the period June 1st to November 30th. Amazing. Well, on top of that, Tropical Storm Haiyan was the second earliest tropical storm, which was declared yesterday to form in the Central Pacific. Want to know what the third earliest tropical storm was? From the Central Pacific during hurricane season? Tropical Storm Ian. Wow. Pretty impressive. In addition, there was also a brief period where Ela, Haiyan, and Ian were all active at the same time. That was the first time in history that ever happened. In addition, it was also the first time in history that 3 named CPACs were performed in such a short period of time. The old record was 18 days apart, and I believe that was in September 1982. So it was those 3 systems. So that's pretty amazing how remarkable the East Pacific has been. Here's a look at the same image I just showed you, except it's not painted like the other one was. Now let's look at foam top. I know, is this foam? Oh, but you can see these systems are slowly but surely in general becoming better organized. Though you can see hail was breaking up a little bit for now. Maybe it's trying to shrink a little bit, and then the hail is gaining its way to exit the basement. Let's go through these systems one disaster at a time. Oops, not there yet. So first of all, here's Haiyan. You see CPHC has its winds at 45 knots, and it's really expected to continue on its course eventually into the West Pacific. And there's some mixing signals on whether it's going to become a typhoon or not, but I definitely think it has a chance to, assuming wind shear can stay low. And the global models are not usually bullish, maybe because of possibly due to its small size, and I think they're under-initializing the system a little bit. I mean, right now it's at winds of 45 knots. It's likely to cross into the Western Pacific within probably got about another 2, maybe 3 more advisory packages to go before it crosses. And then here, oh wait, it's not out of order. Oh, there it is. Yeah. Then here's Tropical Depression, not Tropical Depression 2C, but now Tropical Storm Ian. It was operated, I believe, 2 advisory packages ago. It's, again, slowly organized. I mean, it's kind of unraveled a little, but it's probably fresh to find. I think it's become better organized since then. Yeah, not really. Convection is waning a little bit, but Ian's very small, at least that's under the name. I think and because it's a moderate wind shear, I wouldn't expect too much, because while its shear is only 10 knots, as you go in with color, 10 knots of shear can be quite fatal. Now back going from west to east like we did yesterday. Even though I said we were going from east to west, they meant we were going west to east. If any of you guys, viewers who actually watch my videos, are confused, I actually know what on earth I'm saying right now and what I'm talking about. But here's Invest 97, and you can see it's become a little bit better organized over the past 12 to 24 hours. I mean, it looks actually, in my eyes, pretty close to developing. It's going to actually start wrapping around a little bit, and some slightly more defined banding features can develop. I think the NC operators, they have this on an 80% chance of developing within 2 days. After 2 days, I really think, the system supposed to enter drier air and slightly higher wind shear from developing the depression to its east. I think those combinations of two factors will probably limit significant intensification beyond 36 to 48 hours. But I do, most of the guidance agrees on a 35 to 45 knot tropical storm near 130W, and I think still has a shot to do so if as long as the system gets organized quickly, and if we get lucky, we have a chance to have 4 tropical cyclones at a time, which would be amazing. Kind of amazing how much quantity we're getting now after getting all this quality earlier. And then probably going to spend the remainder of our time here talking about Tropical Depression 5B, which is probably quickly becoming a tropical storm right now. You're starting to see a better defined circulation. And you can see deep convections increasing. There's bursts of convections now. And you may even be seeing the beginnings of a CDO. And once you're starting to see some more banding features on the south side. And even though the alpha is limited to its southeast and even north a little bit. I mean, it is trying to, the alpha is a little limited to the southeast, but it's expanding to the north, which is actually impressive because the system is close to land. I think it's very likely that the agency will go ahead and decide to name it later tonight. Let's look at some of the guidance now with the system. The European brings us to 941 millibars of a hurricane. And they actually keep this system 97 at a pretty potent intensity compared to most models. And I mean the GFS is even more bullish with a 915 millibar system, so that would be around near category 5 intensity. The HWRF, which has issues with slow moving storms like this one due to the fact that it overdoes the upwelling of cold water. Which as long as if it doesn't stall for too long, in my opinion, shouldn't be a major issue. The GFDL is a different track, and it kind of brings us into the Baja California Peninsula, and it's not getting sucked up like the ridge, like the rest of the Golden Moss, and it's going due north. The GFFDL solution cannot be ruled out, as time as some of the older GFS ones have showed us. However, the GFDL sometimes has an eastward bias, and this basin is probably one of those times. And that's it. That's it for today. That was the CPHE discussion. I will also note that that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye!